Look around you. Look around you. Just look around you. There. Have you worked out what we're looking for yet? Correct. Heat. This program will complete part 1 of your textbook, which accompanies this series. Please ensure that you have your copybook at hand, as you'll be asked to take down notes from the screen at various points throughout the program. In this program, we will attempt to show that heat is not only for hot air balloons, but can also be solid, like blancmange. Experiment 1. An experiment was carried out to isolate liquid heat. The heat, after being generated, is fed through a Roberts condenser, then down a condensing tube and into a Burke-Lavitz insulator. To generate heat, bacon was used. The scientist begins by heating the bacon in a pan. He agitates the bacon gently to generate heat. Now get your copybooks ready. Do you see any heat yet? No. Write that down. The scientist then adds ethylene benzoate. Be aware of the benzotic fumes. Can you see the bacon reaction? Reaction. Can you see the liquid heat? Write that down in your copybook. The liquid heat is then frozen to produce a solid. An isolated Isaac chamber is used to ensure no leaking occurs.
Done.
This will take roughly 8 to 10 months, the approximate time for a flight to Fiji. Once removed from the chamber, the liquid heat is then carefully flanged. Careful now. The contents are then transferred into a Besselheim. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's powdered heat. Write that down. Experiment 2. An experiment was conducted to ascertain the properties of powdered heat. An ordinary piece of white bread is laid upon the work surface. It is then dusted with powdered heat from the Besselheim. The heat is then evenly distributed using a Wendy heat rake. You do not need to worry about any spillages. The excess around the edges will evaporate and is a useful substitute for central heating. Now we wait. Now we observe the effect of heat. Get your copybook ready. By tapping gently on the work surface, the scientist removes the heat. Can you see what happened yet? Yes, it has turned into toast. Notice the burnt exterior and the crunchy texture, typical of toast. Wow! Experiment 3. An experiment was carried out to ascertain the effects of heat on music. As you can see, A Burke-Lavitz insulator is inserted into a tripod interface, which has an audio attachment. The scientist then adds heat to the insulator. Observe as he attempts to play. You may wish to cover your ears. Shocking. He then connects his piano to the interface. Get your copybooks ready. Wow. This behavior is known as thermal musification. Write that down.
Right.
Now hand in your copybook to your teacher or head of class.